Hello students, today's topic is joints. Joint is a place or a point where two bones they meet together. The point at where two bones they meet, they are placed, this point is called joint. And it is because of joints that the movement of the body is possible. For example, this is a joint. Here they two bones they are meeting at this point. So this is a joint. Two bones they are meeting at a point. So the bending is possible and the movement is possible because of joints, and it provides flexibility to our body. Now what are the various types of joints? Joints can be divided into three basic categories. First is the fibrous or immovable joints. The first type of joint is fibrous or the immovable joint. Such joints are found between the bones of cranium which encloses brain, which protects brain. The joints between the bones of cranium, they are immovable, and these are also called sutures. They are firmly held together by white collagen tissue. Second type of joints are cartilaginous joints, and these joints are also called slightly movable joints. These joints are present between the vertebra of backbone, and these are also present between ribs and sternum. We know that is the ribs, the front bone in the chest is the sternum, and the bone present at the back along with the dorsal body surface is the backbone or vertebral column. And the bones, the semicircular bones which join these two, they are called the rib. So the joint between the ribs and the sternum, the front bone, that is the slightly movable, and this is the example of cartilaginous bones. Third type of joint is synovial joint, or it is also called movable joint. These joints, they are freely movable, and these are further divided into 6 categories. First is ball and socket joint. In ball and socket joint, the two bones, they have special structures. One bone is in the form of a ball and another bone is like a socket, and this ball can exactly fit into this socket, and because of this joint the organ is able to move in all the directions. For example, the shoulder joint, that is the pectoral girdle, and the hip girdle, that is the pelvic girdle. We can move and rotate our arms in all the directions. Similarly, we can rotate our leg at the top of the thigh from that region. This is possible because of ball and socket joint. Second type of synovial or movable joint is hinge joint. Hinge joint, it allows movement only in one plane, यानी एक ही डायरेक्शन में मूवमेंट होगी. फॉर एग्जाम्पल द नी जॉइंट, यू कैन try moving your knee, it will move only in the backward direction, but you cannot move it in the forward direction. Elbow joint, elbow कोहनी, आप देखें कोहनी को दोनों डायरेक्शन में मूव करने की, it will move only in the one direction and not in the backward direction. Ankle joint, टखने में पैरों में जो joint है, that is also example of the hinge joint. Third type of movable joint is angular joint, and it is also called ellipsoid joint, which brings movement in, which can cause movement in two directions, that is back and forth and side to side. Because of the angular or ellipsoid joint, the movement is possible in two directions, back and forth यानी आगे पीछे and side to side. This is present in the wrist and metacarpals. ठीक है, ये देखो, this is the side and side and back and forth. उसी तरह से wrist में है ये. These are the angular or ellipsoid joint. Fourth type of joint is the gliding joint. Gliding joint, where there is sliding movement of two bones, which is present in the carpal and wrist, यानी कलाई और हथेली के बीच में, पाम के बीच में जो है कार्पल एंड रिस्ट, एंड एंकल एंड फुट के बीच में जो मूवमेंट है, दैट इज बिकॉज ऑफ द ग्लाइडिंग जॉइंट. वी नो इन कार्पल देयर आर प्रेजेंट 8 bones and in the ankle there are present 7 bones. तो when the they move, तो ये जो 8 bones है थोड़ी सी स्लाइटली एक दूसरे के ऊपर स्लाइड करती है. Fifth type is the pivot joint. Pivot joint allows the rotatory movement of one bone over the other. जैसे कि हमारी नेक में जो वर्टिब्रा है, the second vertebra, these are the two vertebra. One vertebra remains fixed, and on this fixed vertebra, our neck can rotate in this direction. Try moving your neck in all the directions. So this rotatory movement is possible because of the pivot joint, in which one bone remains still, it remains stationary, and the other bone, it moves in rotatory motion. The joint between the atlas and axis, that is the first and second vertebra of backbone, उनके बीच में जो है that is called the pivot joint. And sixth type of the movable joint is saddle joint. It also resembles ball and socket joint, but here the sockets are poorly developed. And this is found in metacarpal of human thumb. Which enables the thumb to rotate in many directions. This is the saddle joint. So that is all about joints.